Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can change Zelle bank account. So let's jump right in. To change your Zelle bank account, first log in to your current bank's mobile app or online banking where Zelle is linked. Go to the Zelle section, usually under Send Money, Transfers, or something similar. Look for an option that says Manage Recipients, Account Settings, or Linked Account. There you should find an option to remove or change the linked bank account. Once you remove the existing one, you can then link your Zelle profile to a new bank account by registering with the same phone number or email through your new bank's Zelle access. Keep in mind that a phone number or email can only be active with one Zelle account at a time. If the system tells you your contact info is already in use, you may have to unlink it from the old bank first. Some banks let you switch accounts within the app, while others might require you to call support or wait 24-48 hours after unlinking. Always verify your new account through the confirmation code Zelle sends to your phone or email.